Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got yet again an extremely special project share for you. This one is amazing. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this extremely special project share. And if you're new, it's just wonderful to be here with you. I have in front of me one of the most beautiful books I've ever seen in my life. Oh my goodness, this is created by Christine, one of my friends, a student, and she has done fabulous. She used Graphic 45, Fruit and Flora. She's got beautiful foil accents on this page, and just throughout the book, I am blown away. It's just magnificent. And I also am doing comment shout outs, so if you want to see if maybe your comment will show up on the end screen, you can stay tuned all the way till the end. Right here on the front cover, some beautiful copper foil accenting, and she even has a beautiful tab right here and an insert that comes out right on the front cover. You can add some cropped photos right there. I love this beautiful apple paper in the background, and we got a beautiful element right on the front. Oh my goodness, if you're wondering what class this is, I'll leave it down in the description. It's called the Abstract Folio. I just had so much fun designing it, and she really flew away with creativity for this. Oh my goodness, let's see all the little bits she added. A cute little brad here, swing closure. Got a beautiful camera stamp right there, and this flips right up. We got picture space in there. Isn't that fantastic? She got another element here. Squeeze the day. Love the cute butterflies on here. It's just so gardeny and fresh. Great for spring or even fall. I love this. I've never seen this done before. Adding a tag on top of another tag with some twine. Is that not the cutest thing? And look at her journaling lines. These are fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. I'm gonna pull this insert out, show you the back of that. Bloom with grace. This paper is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at her matting style here. And she added a sticker that's kind of popping out. She used the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board to create this design here. And I'll leave all my favorite tools down in the description as well. She popped this tag element up, which looks beautifully dimensional there. And this element flips. Is that just not the most gorgeous book you've ever seen? Look at her journaling lines on here. Another photo spot. You can even journal on these little bits and pieces with the white chalk marker if you wanted. Love the design paper little strips there. Beautiful paper in the back. Let's go ahead and take a little gander at this gorgeous book. Look at that acetate. That's just, oh my goodness, marvelous. Unbelievably marvelous. And you can stick as many or as few inserts into your pockets as you would like. She just did an assortment there, and I am in love. Her matting skill just blows me away. There's a special little surprise right on the back of this. Oh my goodness, if you've never sat in class with me before, I will leave you a link right here to an ad-free tutorial on my website. This is so cool. Again, look at that beautiful angle that she achieved there. Acetate galore. Okay, shiny goodness. We got these beautiful cards. Oh my goodness, Christine, you really know how to work Graphic 45 paper. Wow. This is a paper line that I kind of have trouble with. And she just used it magnificently. Oh my goodness, look at the way she brought out the purple eggplant in the back. Bringing this color back there. Beautiful copper foil accenting again right here on this. Look at that strip. It just yells beauty, doesn't it? Wow, absolutely splendid. And right here on this cover right here, we've got a fantastic magnetic flap right there, and that flips up. Mind-blowing. I almost have 0 words left. Look at it, some of that stamping she did here. That just goes perfectly. Is that a stamp? I think it is. This is so cute, Christine. I can't even believe it. I hope this can help inspire our friends out there. I know it will. This is unbelievable. Look at this paper in the back. It's a dream come true. You can really house stacks and stacks of photos in this book. Really, if you had a vacation or anywhere you wanted to put a huge stack of your 4x6s and then your favorites can go on the inserts, you could probably easily hold more than 50 pictures in here. Beautiful magnetic closure right there. And that closes back up. And let's look at this fun back cover that she created. She pieced together all these bits and left places for tiny photos or even some journaling. Savor each day. Is that not the truth? Look at this beautiful matting arrangement. Oh my goodness, Christine, it's been my honor to really share this and hold this in person. I cannot express how thankful I am. If you really admire the style of this book, you'll love the one up next, and I really am super glad that I was able to share this with the rest of our friends. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week, and I'm giving you hugs here. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!